Welcome to the Roland MO-240 maintenance series about ink mixing and test printing. For the start of your day, you want to agitate your white, which simply means remove the cartridge from your MO-240 and shake it for about 20 seconds and return it. Next, you want to do a test print before you decide to put substrates or media in there. You want to make sure that all your nozzles are firing. So hit your setup menu and select your test print guide. If you haven't set one up, then we'll be able to do this one through this video. So hit select and scroll down to new, which should be the last item. And put a name for your file. We're using video test for this, but you can use anything. It's an opaque item, and you want the head about 2 millimeters or less. So hit save. And next you're going to determine the head height. So hit change. As you'll be printing very close to the maximum height on the table, you can use the arrow keys here or use the pen tool and enter it manually. But you'll essentially be printing as super close as you can. And next you want to change your printing area. So select change. This one is already set to the max 24 by 18 size, but to change it back, hit printing area, and then you could hit the gear and hit execute to return it to the maximum print area, just in case it was not. And because you have done all your setup, hit complete setup. And you've now created your media preset for your test print. The vacuum table is turned on, the name of your file, as well as all the information that you had entered previously is now ready for use day in and day out, so you don't have to set it up again. Now go to your vacuum table and look at the L-shaped brackets into the vacuum table. That's where you're going to put your substrate. For your substrate for your test print, I recommend a sheet of notebook paper. That's why you don't need that much height. Very clean, and you should be able to pick out all your nozzles very cleanly on the surface. The vacuum table should keep it down, but if you want to, or the edges are a little bit curled up, feel free to use masking tape or double-sided tape to make sure they don't pop up and make contact with the print head. After you've placed your media, it's okay to close the lid and look at the control panel. And the option on the right side for your nozzle test, select that, and printing test, hit execute. If it's your first print of the day, your MO-240 will likely go through a maintenance clearing cycle just to make sure there's no obstruction in the print head. The vacuum table will then slide back into position before the print head starts its operation for your printing test. After it is completed, the vacuum table will slide forward for you to inspect. It is now safe to lift up the lid and inspect your test print. Look for any missing nozzles or clumping or contamination that may require a further cleaning. And moving back to your control panel, hit the home screen. This concludes the test printing and ink mixing video for MO-240.